Hi guys, my name is David and in this Ultimate Small Shop review I'll tell you everything you need to know about Ultimate Small Shop before you buy this product. I will give you very important information and I also have some alerts about Ultimate Small Shop that I will tell you to prevent you from losing money or even buying a counterfeit product. So pay close attention to this video and stay until the end. The first alert I have to tell you is that Ultimate Small Shop is only sold on the official website. So I recommend that you do not buy this product on any other website because you will be at great risk of falling for scams or even receiving a counterfeit product. To help you, I left the link to the official website here in the video description if you want to access it. The Ultimate Small Shop is a complete guide to building a complete wood store under $1,000 and even includes a shopping list of the best tools and exact links, and the book covers everything from the basics to more advanced topics. The Ultimate Small Shop book provides readers with information on the type of tools they should avoid, advice on the type of tools to buy, and which specific tools you need for your project and how to maintain and store them. Ultimate Small Shop will prevent readers from wasting their money and, at the same time, make the right decisions that will take the fear out of getting started. Features of the book. The language is simple and straightforward. It is written by an experienced woodworker who has over 25 years of practice. It covers all the important points you need to know. Provides step-by-step instructions, graphics, and photos. Helps to set up a woodworking workshop more easily. Includes strategies, advice, instructions, price guides, and other important resources. Is suitable for anyone who enjoys woodworking. Suitable for both inexperienced and professional woodworkers. You can print the book. Ultimate Small Shop was created by cabinet maker Ralph Chapman with the aim of helping those woodworkers who are afraid to open a store due to lack of funds or space. And what's important about buying Ultimate Small Shop is that you will learn how to choose the ideal tools, how to select the space, perfect layouts for your store, electricity, lighting, soundproofing, heating, cooling, ventilation, dust, and how to maintain safety inside your store. You'll get a well-designed store without having to spend a lot of money. So you really can trust the Ultimate Small Shop. It is approved by experts and is being used by thousands of people who are having great results with this product. Ultimate Small Shop offers a 60-day guarantee. So you really can test the product to see the results in your store. If for any reason you don't like the results, you can ask for your money back without any risk. So I wanted to make this video to clarify all doubts about Ultimate Small Shop and also to warn you about the scams that are happening out there. So if you are going to buy this product, buy only on the official website so as not to experience any kind of problem. And if you have any questions, you can leave a comment below that I will answer you. Thanks for watching this video and I hope I helped. See you next time. Bye.